Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Today I am going to explain you maxima and minima for functions of two variables. Let us see first the working rule. Step 1. Find dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y. That can be written as dou f by dou x, which is equal to fx, which is equal to 0. Dou f by dou y, which is equal to 0. This is step 1. Step 2, find the stationary points. Step 3, find the value of dou square f by dou x square is equal to capital A. Dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to capital B. Dou square f by dou y square, which is equal to capital C. Step 4, there are some conditions. Condition number 1 is f of a comma b is a maximum value. We will tell it the maximum value if ac minus b square is greater than 0. What is a? Dou square f by dou x square. What is c? Dou square f by dou y square. Minus what is b? Dou square f by dou x dou y. So ac minus b square is greater than 0 and capital A is less than 0. So ac minus b square is greater than 0 and the capital A is less than 0. It is called as maximum value. Second one, f is minimum value. So when we will say f is a minimum value, if ac minus b square is greater than 0 and also capital A is greater than 0. So both are greater than 0. We will call it minimum value. Next, third condition is f is not an extreme value or it has a saddle point. When we are calling it as a saddle point, ac minus b square is less than 0. Fourth condition is f is inconclusive if ac minus b square is equal to 0. So when we will find maximum or minimum if ac minus b square is greater than 0. If ac minus b square is greater than 0, then only we will go for if a is less than 0, that is a maximum. If a is greater than 0, that is a minimum. If ac minus b square is less than 0 means it has a saddle point. If ac minus b square is equal to 0 means it is inconclusive. So these are the 4 conditions we are going to use while we are solving the problems. Let us see one example. Find the extreme values of the function f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. First given function f of x comma y is equal to, because there are two variables x and y, x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. fx, you have to differentiate f with respect to x, dou f by dou x. X cube if we are differentiating 3x square. Y cube if we are differentiating with respect to x, it will be 0. Minus 3x, if we are differentiating, you will get to minus 3. Minus 12y, 0, 20, 0. So 3x square minus 3. If we are differentiating f with respect to x. If we are differentiating f with respect to y, y cube, 3y square, minus 12y minus 12. So fy. Next, a value, capital A, f double x. So f double x means dou square f by dou x square. Already we have got dou f by dou x. So this one you have to differentiate with respect to x. 6x, that is a, capital A. Capital B is dou square f by dou x dou y. Either fx you have to differentiate with respect to y or Fy you have to differentiate with respect to x. So Fx if you are differentiating, dou f by dou x, again you have to differentiate with respect to dou by dou y. There is no y, so value will be 0. Next C is equal to F double y, that is dou square f by dou y square. So 3y square, if you are differentiating, again it will be 6y. So capital A is equal to 6x, capital B is equal to 0, capital C is equal to 6y. This is step 1. Step 2 is you have to find the stationary points. How to find the stationary points? Dou f by dou x is equal to 0. Dou f by dou y is equal to 0. I have taken here. So dou f by dou x is equal to 0. 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 is common in each term. So 3, if we are taking as a common, 3 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to plus 1. X equal to plus or minus 1. 3y square, Fy is equal to 0 means 3y square minus 12 is equal to 0. 3, if you are taking as a common, y square minus 4 is equal to 0. Y square minus 4 is equal to 0 means y square is equal to plus 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to plus or minus 2. X is plus 1 minus 1, y is plus 2 minus 2. The combination of these x and y values are called as stationary points. X is plus 1, y is plus 2. X is plus 1, y is minus 2. X is minus 1, y is plus 2. X is minus 1, y is minus 2. So these are the stationary points. So the stationary points are 1, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So using these 4 stationary points, we are going to find the maximum or minimum value, saddle point, okay, inconclusive, whatever it is, we are going to find the values. First, I have drawn the table. In this way, you have to draw. First one, 1, 2. On the top, I have written 1, 2, the points, 4 points I have written, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Every points I have written. Capital A is equal to 6x. Capital B is equal to 0. So each column I have written 0, each row. C is equal to 6y. AC minus B square. So how to find this one? How to find this one? Let us see. Capital A is equal to 6x. What is the x value? 1, 2. 1 is x. 2 is y. So 1. 6 into 1, 6. It is greater than 0. Next point. 1, minus 2. 6x. X is 1. 6 is greater than 0. Next minus 1. So 6x. 6 into minus 1 will be minus 6. It is less than 0. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 6. It is less than 0. So B is each point B is 0. C is equal to 6y. Y is 2. First point is x, y. X is 1, y is 2. 6y. 6 into 2, 12. Next 1, minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 will be minus 12. Minus 1, 2 will be 12. 6 into y. Y is minus 2. So minus 12. So these are we have got. Next AC minus B square. A is 6. C is 12, AC is 72, minus B square is 0. So 72 minus 0 will be 72, it is greater than 0. AC, 6 into minus 12, minus 72 is less than 0. AC, you have to multiply AC, minus 72, minus B square is 0. So minus 72, that is less than 0. Minus 6, minus 12. So plus 72, that is greater than 0. How to find minimum or maximum? AC minus B square is greater than 0. And also A is also greater than 0. So therefore, this is called minimum point. Conclusion is minimum point. 6 is next, minus 72 is less than 0. Less than 0 means saddle point. Less than, third one is minus 72 less than 0. That is also saddle point. Last one is greater than 0. A is less than 0. AC minus B square is greater than 0. That's why it is called as maximum point. So next we are going to find the maximum value, minimum point. What is the minimum point? 1 comma 2. What is the maximum point? Minus 1 comma minus 2. So we are going to find the value. Minimum value of f of x comma y is equal to x cube, that is given in the problem, y plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. So minimum point is, okay, we are taking, maximum point is we are taking. So maximum value of f of x comma y. Why we are writing maximum value? Because that gives maximum point. So f of minus 1 comma minus 2. For x you have to apply minus 1. For y you have to apply minus 2. In this equation, x cube minus 1 cube plus minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 1 minus 12 into minus 2 plus 20. So 1 minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 12 into minus 2, 24 plus 20. If you're adding these all 5 values, you will get 38. So the maximum value is 38. Maximum point is minus 1 comma minus 2. Minimum value 1 comma 2. Substitute in the same equation. 1 cube plus 2 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2 plus 20. So 1 cube 1, 2 cube plus 8 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 12 into 2 minus 24 plus 20. So 29 minus 27, which is equal to 2. This is the minimum value. Minimum point is 1 comma 2. So maximum value is 38. Minimum value is 2. Thank you.